COVID-19 has impacted all of us so much that it has changed our behavior. 3 out of 4 people are now more conscious about their health and hygiene. This, added with the decrease in purchasing power, has changed our purchasing behavior. 73% more people are now buying toilet cleaners. There has also been reverse migration due to job loss. An estimated 15,000 families have left Dhaka city during this pandemic for smaller cities and villages. But as the economy gets back on track, a good percentage of them are likely to come back to Dhaka city. But more importantly, they are likely to leave their family members behind. So it is very important to focus on these suburban communities. As the pandemic subsides, consumers will remember how a brand made them feel. So it is very important to come up with solutions that will improve their health and well-being, but also create a spot in their heart permanently.
UNICEF reports that only 34.6% of the population of Bangladesh has access to safe drinking water. 2 out of 5 households in Bangladesh drinks water that are already contaminated with viruses and bacteria. And with poor sanitation practices, this number actually goes up to 99 million. During the last 4 months, nearly 7,000 people have fallen sick to waterborne diseases. And with that in mind, we propose our first big idea, the Pure-It Surakha campaign. The goal of this campaign is to provide awareness through service. We plan to partner with local restaurants in suburban areas. These restaurants are commonplace for middle-income customers for their usual meals during breakfast or during office lunch hours. What these restaurants do is they serve free tap water or mineral water on demand. Our first step is to purify this tap water with Pure-It filters given free of cost by Unilever. Next, these restaurants usually place a jug of water along with a few glasses on every table. We plan to replace these glasses and jugs with these ones. This portrays the message that this water has been purified by Pure-It. On top of that, beside every filter, there will be this conspicuous banner. This helps us in 2 ways. Number 1, people will be made aware of the dangers of impure water. Number 2, there will be an immediate call to action. These filters can also be introduced in places of worship like mosques and temples. With rising consciousness about health and hygiene in people, we feel like this is the right time to address the long persisting problem of unsafe drinking water in Bangladesh. This campaign goes directly in line with USLP and SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation for All.
We asked 120 people who comes to your mind when you think of a hero during this pandemic, and of them, 115 said health workers. Yes, that's very true, but we often tend to forget the community workers of our city corporations and municipalities who have been working relentlessly during this pandemic in order to make our lives safer. It is high time we appreciate them. And to that end, we bring to you our next big idea, WHEEL Heroes campaign. For the campaign, we'll be trying to portray the contributions of these workers to our society with visuals like this. To appreciate their work, we'll be gifting them new clothes and hygiene kits which will have WHEEL with the message, keep your attire fresh with WHEEL. We will take this campaign to the next step by partnering with city corporations to provide uniforms and safety gears to all the workers with WHEEL Heroes written on them. This will make sure that people relate to WHEEL whenever they see these workers working. This campaign will help us to convey the message that everyone is a hero during this pandemic. It will also resonate the brand's purpose of bringing freshness in thought by inspiring people to see things from a different perspective. But we all know they are our heroes because it's a difficult job. But we can make it easier for them by changing some of our own habits. This is where our third big idea comes in, the Domex Clean Bangladesh campaign.
The Domex Clean Bangladesh campaign aims to make people aware of certain habits that adversely affects our own well-being. In this campaign, Domex will encourage people to opt for healthier habits that can be learned easily. We will introduce limited edition bottle packages of Domex liquid. One side will show a statement that represents a bad habit. This will disappear as more and more Domex is used, and the other side's message will start appearing. This message will be an empowering one, advising the users to initiate the action themselves. The campaign will also be reinforced through audiovisuals in different media, along with additional messages regarding safe sanitation and hygiene practices. This campaign will help to connect the brand with health and hygiene practices and also ensure alignment with SDG 3 and 6.